Hello, everyone. I'm excited to share something eye-opening today. When it comes to health, I always thought I was doing everything right. But recently, I uncovered a surprising truth about some of the things we consume daily, and how they impact our brain health. I wanted to share this journey with you because I know how many of us experience brain fog, that constant cloud of mental sluggishness, forgetfulness, and lack of clarity. You're not alone, and today, we're diving into something that could change your life. So, get ready to discover the power of just one cup that could make all the difference in reversing brain fog and boosting mental clarity. First, let's understand what brain fog really is. Imagine trying to read a book with smudged glasses. That's what brain fog feels like mentally. Brain fog isn't a medical condition on its own but rather a symptom that could signal various underlying issues. It's like trying to think through a thick mist, slowed responses, hazy memory, and just an overall feeling that something's off. The reasons for brain fog are more common than you might think. For starters, nutrition is a huge factor. Our brain needs a steady supply of vitamins and minerals to function at its best. Lacking essential nutrients like vitamin D, magnesium, and B vitamins. It's like trying to run a car on low fuel. Sooner or later, you'll feel it. Stress is another major contributor. While a bit of stress here and there can be good, chronic stress releases too much cortisol, a hormone that, when elevated, wears down our brain's resilience, leading to that foggy feeling. Sleep and hydration, two pillars of health, play essential roles, too. Skimping on sleep means our brain doesn't get a chance to reset. So, each of these factors adds up, but there's a way to fight back, and it all starts with nutrition. That's why I'm excited to share a juice recipe with you later on that packs a punch for brain clarity. Let's start with an ingredient that's as common as it is powerful: spinach. Growing up, I always thought of spinach as something for muscles, thanks to Popeye. But recently, I discovered that spinach does wonders for our brain, too. It's loaded with antioxidants like vitamin K, folate, lutein, and beta-carotene, which protect brain cells from damage. In fact, vitamin K helps enhance memory by supporting the brain's neural connections, while lutein aids in fighting oxidative stress, which can otherwise lead to cellular damage and aging. Magnesium, another vital component in spinach, supports the nerves, improving memory and overall cognitive function. Studies show that people who maintain good magnesium levels have a lower risk of age-related memory loss. Adding spinach to this juice gives our brain cells the protection they need to stay sharp. Now, let's talk about apples. They say, an apple a day keeps the doctor away, but did you know it can also keep brain fog at bay? Apples contain quercetin, a potent antioxidant that helps protect brain cells from damage. Quercetin reduces oxidative stress in the brain, meaning less cell breakdown and better cognitive function. Apples also support healthy acetylcholine levels. Acetylcholine is a neurotransmitter essential for learning and memory, and low levels have been associated with Alzheimer's disease. Regular apple intake helps maintain these levels, improving memory and supporting mental clarity. So, when you add an apple to this juice, you're giving your brain a healthy, natural boost. Beetroot is an often overlooked, yet amazing ingredient for brain health. Its high nitrate content converts to nitric oxide in the body, which helps blood vessels relax and widen. This means more oxygen-rich blood can reach the brain, fueling it with the nutrients it needs for better cognitive function. Beets are also packed with antioxidants and folate, both of which work to combat brain inflammation. Research shows that increased blood flow from beetroot consumption can improve memory and cognitive performance. Drinking this juice regularly can ensure that your brain cells stay nourished and your mental clarity remains sharp. Cucumbers are refreshing, but they're also packed with B vitamins, essential for brain health. B vitamins help reduce inflammation and support nerve function, making them ideal for maintaining cognitive performance and mood stability. Cucumbers also contain an anti-inflammatory flavonoid called fisetin, which has been shown to improve memory and reduce age-related cognitive decline. Fisetin's powerful antioxidant properties help clear brain fog by protecting cells from oxidative stress. It's amazing how something so light and refreshing can have such a big impact on our brains. Lemon may seem like a simple addition, but its benefits are substantial. It's rich in vitamin C, an antioxidant that helps combat free radicals. This is crucial because free radicals cause oxidative stress, which damages cells over time. By fighting free radicals, lemon helps protect your brain from damage, keeping it clear and functioning optimally. Lemon is also high in potassium, which helps nerves communicate better. This supports memory retention and cognitive speed. Adding a touch of lemon to our juice isn't just about flavor, it's about supercharging the brain with protective benefits. Ginger is a popular spice, but did you know it's also a brain booster? Ginger contains gingerols, which are natural anti-inflammatories. Chronic inflammation can harm brain cells, but ginger helps to reduce inflammation, keeping your brain healthier for longer. In addition to its anti-inflammatory properties, ginger has been shown to improve reaction time and memory. Some studies even suggest that ginger can enhance cognitive function and prevent age-related decline. It's one small ingredient, but it packs a huge punch for mental clarity. Lastly, let's talk about cilantro. This herb not only adds flavor but also aids in heavy metal detoxification. Heavy metals like lead and mercury can impair brain function, causing symptoms like brain fog, memory loss, and even more severe cognitive issues. Cilantro binds to these metals and helps remove them from your body, creating a cleaner, healthier environment for your brain to thrive. Including cilantro in our juice helps ensure that we're giving our brain the detoxification support it needs to perform at its best. So, there you have it, the ultimate brain-boosting juice that combines spinach, apple, beetroot, cucumber, lemon, ginger, and cilantro. Just 1 cup a day of this nutrient-packed juice can make a difference. I've started incorporating this juice myself, and the results have been noticeable: more mental clarity, better focus, and less brain fog. If you're ready to nourish your brain, start with this juice. Remember, improving your cognitive health isn't just about this juice, it's about taking holistic steps, like getting quality sleep, managing stress, and staying hydrated. Give this juice a try and experience the difference it can make in your daily life.